Ovarian cysts. Introduction. Please point to the ovary.
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. The two main functions of the ovaries are:
choose one of the following options.
1. Ovulation and menopause. 2. Production of hormones and ovulation. Correct. The ovaries are responsible for making female hormones and for releasing eggs needed for reproduction. It is normal for the ovaries to form cysts.
Select true or false.
Correct. Ovarian cysts can be due to the normal functioning of the ovaries. These are known as functional cysts. Which of the following cysts do not disappear on their own?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Corpus luteum cysts. 2. Follicular cysts. 3. Functional cysts. 4. Tumor cysts. Correct. Cysts due to benign and cancerous tumors are less likely to disappear on their own. Most ovarian cysts have no symptoms and can only be detected on routine pelvic examinations.
Select true or false.
Correct. Which one of the following symptoms of ovarian cysts requires immediate medical attention?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Fever. 2. Sudden severe abdominal pain. 3. Vomiting. 4. All of the above. Correct. All cysts need to be removed surgically.
Select true or false.
Correct. Some cysts are observed to determine if they disappear on their own. Others can be treated by medication, such as birth control pills.
Thank you for using Explain.